Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of Mathematics from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today we discuss the topic of cone. Now the surface area of cone and the total surface area of cone and the slant height. Now first we draw the cone. This is the cone, and now height is h, and the radius is r, and the slant height is l. Slant height is l. So we find the chord surface area. Chord surface area pi r l. Pi r l. The chord surface area is pi r l, and the l equal to slant height. Slant height, and l is equal to under root r square plus h square. R is the radius of the base of the cone, and h is the height of the cone. H is the height of the cone. So the total surface area of cone equal to pi r l plus pi r square. Pi r l is the chord surface area, and pi r square is the area of their bases. Pi r l is the chord surface area, and pi r square is the area of bases. So the total surface area pi r as a common, and l plus r. Pi r l plus r is the total surface area of the cone. The chord surface area included the pi r l. R is the radius, and L is the slant height. L is the slant height. So find the value of L. The L is equal to the slant height, and L equal to under root r square plus h square. So the total surface area of the cone pi r l plus pi r square. Pi r l is the chord surface area of cone, and pi r square is the area of base of the cone. So we get the result pi r in bracket l plus r. Next, now start the exercise. Start the exercise. Question number 1. Exercise 13.3. Exercise 13.3. Now the question number 1. Diameter of base of cone is 10 centimeter. Question number 1. A cone. diameter of cone 10.5 centimeter. Radius of cone 10.5/2 centimeter, and the slant height of cone equal to 10 centimeter. Now find the chord surface area. Chord surface area equal to pi r l. Assume that pi equal to 22/7 into r 10.5/2 and l 10 centimeter. So 7 1.5 and 2 11. So 11 into 1.5 into 10, that's equal to 11 into 15 centimeter square. So 165 centimeter square is the chord surface area of the cone. 165 centimeter square is the chord surface area of the cone. Now the next question. Question number 2. Find the total surface area of cone if its slant height is 21. Slant height equal to 21 centimeter, and the diameter of base is 24 centimeter. Then the total surface area of cone equal to pi rl plus pi r square. So pi r common, l plus r. Now the pi 22/7 into 12 plus 21 plus 12. 21 plus 12. So 22/7 into 12 into 33. Now we multiply to get the result. 22 multiply 12. 4 2 2 4 6 2, and we multiply 33 3 4 are 12, 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19, 3 2 are 6 1 7, 2 9 7, 2 1 8, and divided by 7 1 1 7 2 3 28 40.5 1 2 1244.5 centimeter square is the total surface area of the cone. Is the total surface area of the cone. Clear? Now the question number third. Question number third. Chord surface area is 308. Chord surface area of core is 308 and its length height is 14. So the CSA of core is 308 centimeter square and the slant height equal to 14 centimeter. Find the radius of the base and the total surface area. Find the radius of the base. CSA of cone equal to pi r l. So 308 equal to 22 by 7 into r into 14 centimeter. 7 to the 14 to 44 into r 308 and r is equal to 308 upon 44. 4 11 4 7 are 28, 2 4 7 are 28 and 11 7. So r is equal to 7 centimeter. This is the radius of cone. This is the radius of cone. Now next we find the total surface area of the cone. So the next part of this question is the total surface area of cone. Total surface area of cone equal to pi r l plus r and 22 by 7 into 7 14 plus 7. So 22 7 cancel, 22 into 21. Now we multiply 22 into 21, 2244, 264, 462 centimeter square is the total surface area of the pole. Clear? Now thank you today.